Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you about MailerLite. This is one of the best free tools for email marketing, whether you are a small business owner, a creator, or a complete beginner. This step-by-step guide will help you set up your account and add subscriber, create campaigns, and more. So let's get started, but before that, make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comments. So first of all, you have to head over to MailerLite.com. Here you can see this address right here. Now let's tap on to accept all cookies. Okay, as you can see, we're on the MailerLite official site. Now you have to click on to sign up for free, this option. Tap onto it. Enter your company name, so enter your company names and then name. Then you have to enter your email address. Then you have to choose a password for your MailerLite. Okay, you can also sign up using Google or Microsoft. Also you can use your Apple ID to save time. Next, tap on continue. You can sign up with Google easily. Now next you have to check your verify your email, but before that you have to enter your new account name. For example, I'm gonna tap onto okay. Now let's tap on to continue. Now MailerLite may ask for verification from you. Then you have to just complete your verification process, and as you can see right now it didn't ask me to do it, so let's just move forward to the next steps. You can complete your profile by adding your name and etc. Now let's complete this verification steps. From here, just simply tap on complete and you will be able to complete your profile verification and like names and etc. For example, you can verify your name, you can complete your last name and etc. You can change your language if you wish to, English to Spanish, and you can also add that what industry are you in. So I'm gonna tap on to like agency. Okay, artist is perfect. Now you can use campaigns, forms, websites, automations, transaction emails. Now you have to tap next step. So after clicking on next steps, as you can see, you have to enter your company or account name. Then you have to enter your address. You have to choose your country also. For example, I'm going to choose, and then I'm going to choose my address to Florida. So let me add some zip code to it. I just can't remember. 32013. 32013 and city. Okay. Now let's tap on to confirm. So you have to check these icons like I have read and agreed to the terms of after clicking onto it, like checking onto these options, you have to tap confirm and wait until it loads completely. There might be some, okay, I have to choose my states. Okay, so let me choose my states, and then I'm gonna tap onto confirm, and there we go. The profile completion is almost done. Now let me reload the page. Okay, now on the left hand side you can see options like dashboard. You can see dashboard from here. You can also export your campaigns, subscribers, and all other things, and tap onto download CSV, and it will be start downloading. Very easy. You can also tap on the campaigns, and from there you can create new campaigns simply by clicking on regular campaign, A/B split campaign, RSS campaign, also auto resend campaign, and multi-variant campaign. So now choose the one that you would like to use. For example, I will go with regular campaign. Now you have to enter the name of your campaign, then you have to enter the subject of your campaign and all other informations, and you have to tap your pro header. You have to click your all active subscribers, and then you have to select. So there we go. Now you have to tap onto next content, and from there you have to choose your drag and drop editor or rich text editor. Okay, so I'm going to choose that one, and there we go, almost there. And as you can see, we are right at the home page. Now we can customize it according to our needs. Let's say we want to customize this text right here. You just have to choose the text, and from there you have to tap onto backspace here, and you have to enter your title. You have to enter title. Okay, this is how you can do it. Now you can add any custom things you wish to add. You can add background images if you want. By from your device you can add background images easily, and wait until this loads, and there we go. Now we can insert the background image to it. Okay, so this is how we can add background image to it. Now if you want to add social links like Facebook links, then tap onto it, and then you can just paste the link here for Twitter, Instagram. If you want to add any other things, you can just add like Discord, and then you have to paste your server link and other things. So this is how you can do it. Also, let's say you want to edit your text images like text colors, just tap onto this at the top right corner, this option. Now you have to choose your colors. Okay, so let's tap onto it and then choose colors. Let's tap onto secondary and let's choose our color. Okay, okay, fit let's okay, this one is perfect. Now let's add heading. If you want to add heading, you just have to tap onto heading, and you can easily add heading to your page. You can also change body color if you wish to. For example, I'm going to turn it black. So as you can see this, I'm going to turn it yellow so you can see all of them. So this one is perfect, I guess. And so this is how you can do it. And after editing all the things, you just have to tap onto done editing, and there we go. So this was basically the MailerLite. Now you can edit content, like you have to confirm your account first. Okay, just as I told you before, you just have to confirm your account, then you can send it easily. You can also send test mail if you want. So this is how you can use MailerLite to send your campaigns to the customers easily. So that's it, and if this video helped you, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.